here you can see some paintwork that has dried with an orange peel effect. It's also a bit like leather, commonly called orange peel, and the paint hasn't dried flat and gloss for various reasons, but there are ways to overcome it. I'm just going to show now what I have done and what is a common way to overcome that. So there's the orange peel effect from the paint shop, or from the painter. You can see it's not very shiny, it's quite dull and matte when the sun shines on it. Very quickly, here is a panel that has been sanded and treated. You can see the gloss finish there. And here is one that has just been flattened or sanded just prior to it being polished. You can still see some of the little indentations there, which I'll probably just go back over with some 2000 paper. And again there you can see an unpolished or untreated panel, the orange peel there. Looking back from that angle, that is the freshly sanded, wet and dried panel. There is the gloss finish on the finished panel, so it does make quite a difference.